welcome back to the Creeping Fig Cottage Kitchen. Today we're whipping up coffee Aloha. In a saucepan, we're going to heat 2 cups of, I'm using whole milk. To that, I'm gonna add 1 1/3 cups flaked coconut. And 2 tablespoons of sugar. This is going over to the stove to heat up. Now that we have our milk, flaked coconut, and sugar all heated up, we're gonna put it in the blender and give it a swirl. Release. Now to our hot milk and coconut mixture, we're gonna add 2 cups of freshly brewed strong coffee. There you have it, folks. This is coffee Aloha. Now let's get it served up. We're going to pour our coffee Aloha into mugs. It smells delicious. Now we're going to top each coffee with a hefty dollop of freshly whipped whipped cream and some toasted coconut. There you have it, folks. Coffee Aloha. Since the boys don't love coffee, we're leaving the tasting today to our production crew.
It's not very sweet. You definitely have to chew it.
Are you bringing it to the modern table?
I don't know that I'm the best judge because I don't like the texture of coconut that much. But the taste is good.
There you have it, folks.